Hey guys, I have Nitin with me. Nitin is just bought a new bike. Nitin, sorry, what bike is this?
So, bro, this is BMW F900 GSA. I just bought it. 5th Feb was the delivery of the bike. I was contemplating between different adventure machines, but this caught my eyes, and yes, I bought this. We just did the ride from Delhi to Bikaner.
मैं यही पूछने वाला था. Sorry, आपको कट करना है. This is what I was going to ask you. That how was the ride? पहली बार आपका experience है on the GSA 900 और it's a new bike by BMW. ये भी अभी नहीं आई है market में. So आपकी ride कैसी थी from Delhi to Bikaner?
Amazing. The ride was amazing.
The bike behaved well.
Oh, amazing. It's the entire setup, the suspension, the dynamic suspension what BMW offers on this bike is just out of the world. So
Thanks Nitin, thank you. Sorry, it's Nitin's birthday today. Happy birthday Nitin.
Thank you so much.
Thanks Nitin, thank you. Thank you for this. Okay, ciao, bye. Hey guys, so I have Anuj with me. Anuj, stop working on a bike. Hi.
Hey bro, what's up?
Very good. So Anuj, we rode in yesterday from Delhi to Bikaner. What are you riding?
So bro, I'm riding a Triumph Tiger 660 Sport.
Lovely.
So this is the machine.
And you've taken this out earlier also on a longer ride.
Yeah,
but this one, sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
So we did the South India trip on this bike.
Yeah.
And it's I think it's one of the nimblest and the most maneuverable adventure bikes that is there in the market right now.
Cool.
It's a little more expensive than one would expect, but I think it's absolute value for money.
Super. Now, considering the fact that Delhi to Bikaner, we had a lot of rough patches also in between crossroads ridges. You performed well.
Oh yeah, so
it's bumps ke upar, you didn't have an issue or anything?
So that's a good question. So it's not a typical off-roader.
Yeah.
I mean, the diameter of the wheels is a little smaller than a typical off-roader.
Right.
But when you talk about, talking about 80% tarmac and 20% of off-road,
yeah,
it's brilliant.
Yeah.
Ab extreme agar aap ja rahe ho patthron pe and you're looking at, sand dunes, obviously this is not the bike.
Yeah, yeah.
But, regular rough patches in a village, or you're looking at some kind of undulating surfaces.
Yeah.
I think it's brilliant.
Lovely. So you'll recommend the bike for someone who wants to tour on a bike?
Absolutely.
Not off-roading, but regular touring on regular tarmac, good highways. It's a good bike.
You know why? Because it's a city tourer. It's not something which has too much power. It's very, very manageable.
Yeah.
I think even for a starter who's done, a smaller bike, 100cc or a 350, and you want to graduate onto a bigger bike, rather than going for a litre or a 1000cc or a 1200.
Yeah.
I think a 660 is a fantastic graduation.
Super.
So I've been riding for the last 10 years, and even for me, a 660 has adequate power.
Super.
It goes very easily to about a 190, 200. But I think Hindustan mein safety is a very, very important aspect, and therefore, you don't need more power.
Super.
Or very, very comfortable to ride. In fact, I've added a lot of accessories.
Yeah.
The heated grips, I've added a quick shifter, tire pressure monitoring system.
Oh, you got the TPMS also?
The TPMS.
I'm sorry I'm cutting you in. Sorry we're recording this at night because we've been so busy and we're leaving tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning everybody's going to be in a hustle to leave. Yeah. So we're recording this at night. Sorry you can't see much of the bike. But we do that on a Sunday ride.
Sure.
Thanks Anuj. Sorry I'm going to cut this out now. Stop it here. And we're going to discuss about the property now.
Of course, bro.
Okay, alright, thanks. Hey Anuj.
Hey,
sorry, I'm catching you again.
That's good.
Just wanted to check about the property. Where are we, Anuj?
Oh, so this is Narendra Bhavan. It's in Bikaner. And I heard so much about the place, and when I was organizing the trip for all our brothers and gods, people had said that this is the boutique Uday Vilas of India, and I think it really fits the bill. It's fantastic. People are very, very hospitable. I think the facility, the place, the way it's done, it feels like home, and we're absolutely loving it.
Super. So you'd recommend the property to whoever's coming from Delhi to Bikaner or anyone coming to Bikaner?
Yeah, absolutely. And there's not much to do around Bikaner as such, besides the fort. So uske liye, I mean, if you're just here with friends and doing a weekend and just chilling out, and they have a lot of these sundowner parties, people coming for Holi for a weekend from Delhi and Bombay, I think it's fantastic.
Super. Thanks, Anuj. Thank you. So bikes are here. Oi, Buffy, what are you doing with your bike?
Just checking that she's all set for tomorrow's flight back home.
Acha, mujhe batao, we rode in from Delhi to Bikaner yesterday. Yeah. It was almost a 500 kilometer ride. What bike are you riding?
I'm riding the BMW K1600 GTL.
So this bike you've had for how many years now?
Close to 5.
And you've done longer trips on long trips on this?
I have done many trips, but I think this was the longest.
और मुझे बताओ कल हम विलेजेस में से आए हैं, सड़कें बहुत ख़राब थी, टूटी हुई भी थी, ये बाइक परफॉर्म्ड ओके? दिस वाज ओके?
हाँ, it was okay, not that much. मतलब obviously it needs a flat tarmac road, but थोड़ा सा
लगी तो नहीं नीचे?
नहीं नीचे नहीं लगी गई. Thankfully the suspension, I raised the level.
Perfect.
So it was perfectly fine. Didn't hit anywhere in the bumps. And you have to be a little careful while crossing the speed breakers.
Yeah.
Just go down a little slow. No hard braking because obviously it is the suspension goes down when you brake.
Let's see who else we can find. I've already caught Anuj, Buffy and Nitin, and Doc Saab is also here. Hi Doc.
Yeah, hi bro.
Hi, Doc.
Just adjusting the
Sorry
clutch.
Doc, you must be getting ready for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, ready for tomorrow, clutch adjustment and all. Yeah.
Okay Doc, I'd asked Nitin, Anuj and Buffy also. What bike are you riding Doc?
Oh, this is a beauty. This is a Suzuki GSX-F 1000. It's a sports tourer, liter bike, a paired bike, ideal for long distance.
Lovely, lovely Doc. So कल हम आए हैं दिल्ली से बीकानेर, approximately 500 किलोमीटर की राइड थी. You did it on this bike.
Oh yeah.
This was your first long ride on the bike?
This is the first long ride on this particular motorcycle.
How was your experience, Doc?
Beautiful.
What
a machine.
Sorry, would you recommend this?
Oh, highly. I mean,
if somebody wants to do a long trip on this bike, can it be used for touring?
Excellent. It's a sports tourer.
Lovely.
I mean, it's a handlebar, upright seating position, lightweight. That is the best part. It is not heavy at all. And obviously it has a Gixxer 1000 engine of 2007-8 series.
Lovely.
Excellent power it has.
Lovely. Doc, इसमें exhaust stock है आपने change कराया?
This is stock, but I've opened it up from inside.
Okay.
So it has a lovely growl.
Okay.
Without losing the back pressure.
Okay. And Doc, sorry, I've asked this question to others also. बीच में भी crossed a lot of villages, बड़ी खराब सड़कें भी आई थी, टूटी फूटी थी. इसकी ground clearance से कोई आपको issue हुई थी?
बहुत अच्छा है. It doesn't.
Over bumps and all, you had no issue.
No bumps, even speed breakers. Obviously, I'm pretty slow when I go over them. But still, speed breakers also no touching on the underbelly.
Perfect. Thanks, Doc. Sorry, आपको मैंने बीच में पकड़ लिया.
Not at all. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Thanks,
always,
Doc. Thanks, Doc. Tomorrow
always.
morning, looking forward to heading back.
Done.
Thanks, Doc.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. In the parking, let's see if I can find somebody else. And of course, Sid is here. Sid, sorry, I'm catching you while you're cleaning a bike. So, guys, we're leaving tomorrow morning. This is the last night in Bikaner. I guess Sid's prepping his bike for tomorrow. Sid, what are you riding?
I'm riding the Ducati 950 Multistrada.
Super.
This is the S version, yeah.
So you're the only one with Ducati on this trip.
Yeah.
There's nobody else riding a Ducati.
Nobody else.
And you've got the touring machine from Ducati, which is one of the best in the world.
I quite love it.
Lovely.
I've taken it to quite a few places, the hills, the plains.
Lovely.
And it's been there and never an issue.
How many years have you had this now?
I've had it for almost 3 years.
And how many kilometers have you done?
10,000.
Any mods on the bike?
No mods. Plain, simple bone stock.
Lovely. Achha, we rode from Delhi to Bikaner yesterday, 500 kilometers approximately. Bike behaved well?
Excellent.
We went
No
through.
complaints.
Sorry, we went through rough patches in villages. I've asked this to others also. बीच में खराब सड़कें आई थी, गड्ढे थे, नालियाँ थी. No issue.
चिंता नहीं रही. I think that's where the S works better for me.
Okay.
Because of the electronic suspension. So it just matches with the road surface that you're on. So when you're on a bad surface that's nice and soft, if you're on a plain surface, if you're on a smooth surface, it becomes a little stiff. So it supports you at the speed that you're on. It supports you at the terrain that you're on. And I think, and the lightness of the bike put together, it becomes an amazing package to be on.
On this bike, you haven't put any panniers or anything. I saw you had a bag tied up at the back on the rear seat.
So I like to keep things as light and simple as possible. And it just gives me also an additional benefit that you can get into smaller spaces without any second thoughts. You know?
Lovely.
You can take off the panniers and use it as a city ride as well.
Thanks, Sid. Thank you. Sorry, please continue shining a bike. All the best for tomorrow morning. Kal subah we are leaving for Delhi. Good morning, guys. Welcome. Leaving now. Today is Sunday, 23rd of Feb. We are all ready, all set. Bikes are out. Started warming up. Leaving for Delhi now. Great stay, great ride. God willing, right back home. Should be safe and sound, and we should all reach in one piece. Lovely. It's been a wonderful stay. And it's been lovely catching up with all the brothers. It's been very nice. So a few of them are still finishing their breakfast. They should be out any minute. I think in the next 5 to 10 minutes we should leave. All set on the bike. We've left, 4 of us. What we're planning is the rest of the group is also going to leave in the next 5 minutes, but we need to fuel up. So we're going to the petrol pump. We'll fill up gas and regroup with the rest and then move on. Look at this beauty. Now we're in the middle of a desert. We're in Rajasthan, and look at the greenery. Honestly, there are lots of landscape and crop fields. It's a little barren here, but there was a stretch that came. I didn't have the camera on. It looked like you were somewhere in England, you know, in UK, Lake District, Windermere. Look at that on the right. I don't know if the camera can capture that. That's beautiful. It's like green meadows, lovely, amazing. It's cool. And then suddenly you get these really barren, sandy patches, brown absolutely. Very cool. Hey guys, just crossed Manesar, back in Delhi NCR, just entered Gurgaon. Our trips come to an end. We did regroup with sorry, I didn't switch on the camera earlier, but we regrouped with we met the entire group after we crossed Jhunjhuna. We met them there and then we've moved forward. So should be home I should be home in another 55 minutes. But I thought this is a good time to end the video. So thank you guys for tuning in. I wanted to start this vlog on a I had a different concept in mind to start the vlog, but then you've seen the vlog now. You've seen the beginning, how it started, how our trip started. There was a little mishap and then that got us delayed by 2 hours, and a very dear friend had unfortunately crashed his bike, and everything is okay though. He's absolutely fine. Of course, I could not start the vlog the way I wanted it, but still the entire group, I tried to make them part of this entire vlog. So hope you guys like it. More trips in the future, but thank you so much. Sorry, long segment. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you like it. Please do subscribe on YouTube, do follow on Instagram, like, share, you know what to do, comment, you know the drill. All right guys, take care. Cheers. Bye.